A noisy neighbor has a community frustrated tonight. A recording studio in Silver Lake with the fire alarm constantly going off.
CBS LA's Laurie Perez live in Silver Lake now. And Laurie, this has been going on for 3 years now?
Yeah, I mean, isn't that unbelievable? I cannot imagine living here and having this going on for more than 3 years. The sound is coming from the studios behind that gate across the street, and neighbors say they want this to stop.
It sounds like some form of torture, if I'm being completely honest.
Outside Pirate Music Studios in Silver Lake, loud music is strictly prohibited, but apparently obnoxious, annoying, super loud alarms are to be tolerated.
I'm about a block away and I can hear it with all my windows closed, all my doors closed, with a fan on, with earbuds in.
Sounds like I'm woken up by like the alarm from one of those movies when the nuke's gonna go off. It's like womp, womp, womp. It's not nice.
Neighbors in this Silver Lake neighborhood say a few times a week for more than 3 years, the alarm at Pirate Music Studios has been going off in the middle of the night. It's a 24-hour business where artists can rent space to do their thing whenever inspiration hits. And something they're doing while they're there is triggering the beeping.
My general understanding of why it's going off is that somebody's either opening an emergency exit door in the middle of the night to leave the property, or people are smoking on the property in the middle of the night, and it's triggering the alarm.
Locals say it goes off any time of the day, but usually between midnight and 5 a.m. for 2 or 3 hours, and it's so regular.
I spoke with a neighbor across the street yesterday who said he's just sort of learned to drown it out, and I don't know how that's possible. I just don't know.
But no one is happy about it. Rachel Liner is just one of many who have begged the company to fix it. The problem is there are no employees on site. Artists go online to rent a studio, so she and others have been emailing with off-site Pirate reps for months, who even today insisted to her they're working with the building's management on it, telling us in a statement, "We know the alarm noise has been frustrating for our neighbors, and we're sorry for the disruption it's caused. The alarm system belongs to the building and isn't something we're able to modify directly, but we've raised the sensitivity and volume issue with the building management and continue to push for it to be addressed. The question is, it takes 3+ years to do that?" Liner says the fire department told her they have issued citations for the alarm going off, but the problem continues, as does the agony for fed-up neighbors.
Please, we really need help. It's really bothering a lot of people who are hardworking people in this whole entire area who just want some sleep.
Now, neighbors worry that this has become so normal that someone might not react to an alarm if there is actually a fire. We did reach out to the building's management company, but have not yet heard back. We are live in Silver Lake tonight. I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.
Laurie, thank you.